Success. What does success truly mean to you? I know what it means for me, and I want to make sure I figure out what it means for you. Stay with me. Hey everyone, Chef Andres here with the Chefpreneur YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching this video, make sure you hit the like button as well as the subscribe button and that little bell to get notified. We have new videos coming out every single week. And today I wanted to talk to you guys about success and what that really means. Now, one of the biggest things I found with a lot of my students and a lot of you that I talk to has been realistically, you guys want to be successful. And I think most people in life want to be a success. The difference is that a lot of people do never define what success really means in their life, right? When I first started my business as a personal chef, I really started to think, not only, yes, I guess I wanted more money, but that wasn't the biggest reason. I started really defining what it is that I wanted. And I love cooking, and that's my passion. I love cooking, I love serving people. The problem was that I felt like I never saw my family. And as my family grew, I felt like I couldn't be there with them, right? Being a chef, being a cook, if you guys, obviously, if you're probably watching this video, you're a cook or a chef. And to be honest with you, you know it's a hard job. It's a hard career. But the thing that I figured out was there is a way that you can actually have your passion, be creative, and actually do what you love without having to sacrifice your family and your entire social life. And one of the things that I realized was early on was my success looked like spending more time with my family. That's what was success meant for me. And the more I got clear on what success meant for me, the more that I can actually accomplish it, right? And so many of you guys that are watching this video, I hear so many of you, I want to be a success, I want to be a success, I want to make more money, or I want to do this, or I want to do that. And don't get me wrong, obviously the money could be good, and being a personal chef, in my opinion, you earn way more money than you do working at some restaurant or hotel. But the real truth of the matter is, I really did it for more reasons. I did it because I wanted success that I knew I wanted, right? Which was to spend more time with my family, have more freedom, be my own boss, actually be able to set my own hours, be able to do what I wanted to do, the food I wanted to do, and serve people to the best of my ability without feeling like I had a middleman of some restaurant or hotel. And so I want you guys to think about a few things. Number one, I want you guys to ask yourself, what is it that I really want? What is it that I really want in this industry, for my life, for my future? And I don't want you to just think about that in your career. I want you to think about that personally. What is it that you really, really, really want to do, right? The second thing is I want you to really think about, is that what that means to be successful? Like, I want you to think about, is my success actually going to line up with it is what I really want to do, right? Because again, so many of us compare ourselves to other people. We try to think that we have to keep up with the Joneses and that we have to work on our own pace. I remember when I first started my business, I had many of my friends who were not even in my own industry, but they were doing more money than me in their business and all this other stuff. And at one point, I wasn't really jealous, but I felt like, man, what am I doing wrong? How come I'm not hitting the mark? And I started realizing I can't live off of someone else's success. I can't go after the goals that they want. I have to stick to what I want. What is it that I want? So that's the second question. What is it that you really want? And what does that success look like to you? And then three, I want you guys to ask yourself, what is the game plan to actually get there? Now I know what I feel like success is. Now I know what I feel like I know what I want. How do you actually get there? What is the plan that you're going to take to actually implement that and move towards that goal? Okay. And here's the thing. You might not be able to hit that in 1 year. You might not be able to hit it in 2 years. You might be able to hit it in 3 months. Who knows? But if you never start, if you ever actually define what you want, define the success that you want to have, and you know what that is, you'll never be able to plan for it. And if you never plan for it and actually take action on it, you'll never achieve it. So if you've been sitting there and you've been thinking, you know what, I've had a dream to start my own business. I want to be a personal chef. And I want to be a personal chef for these reasons over here. And you actually list those out and you start to define what it is that success means to you, I guarantee you'll actually get there. But here's the deal. You have to take action first. And if you're watching this video, I'm sure that you're already thinking about taking action or you're an action taker already. Hey, listen, here on the Chefpreneur YouTube channel and with the Chefpreneur movement, I like to inspire, educate all of you guys to take that risk, to take that stand for yourself, become your own boss, and actually look at what you want in your future and actually go get it. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys really are enjoying this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that bell to get notified, and like and share any videos that you guys think can help other chefs as well. And as always, we always have some free trainings and some different things for you here in the description below as well. Can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Take care.